Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to prepare brinjal chutney. To start with, I will poke some holes in the brinjal using a toothpick and I will apply a thick coat of oil using a brush. Now I will place the brinjal on a full cook grill and I will roast this for 4 to 5 minutes on a medium flame. Now the outer layer will start to black out, and once it's done, just dip the brinjal into cold water to remove excess heat and peel off the outer layer. Now split open the brinjal just to make sure that it's not rotten from inside. Now smash the brinjal using a smasher, and be careful if you are doing this by your hand because it's still hot enough to cause burns. Now I will add a small cup of tamarind juice, 1 finely chopped onion, 1 finely chopped green chili, 1 cup of coriander leaves, 1.5 spoon of sambar powder and salt to taste. Now give it a good mix to blend everything together. Now for seasoning, I will take 2 spoons of cooking oil, and once it's hot enough, I will add half a spoon of mustard seeds, and once it pops, I will add 1 chopped red chili and curry leaves. Now add seasoning to the chutney and give it a good mix. Now transfer everything to a serving bowl and add fresh coriander leaves for garnishing. It's ready there, and it's a perfect combination for chapatis and rotis. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications on our future uploads. Also, do like, comment and share this video with your family.